It's honestly that time of the month when I'm feeling so down. My hair's not done, my nails is not done. I'm just feeling so moody. So, one thing that helps me to get out of my funk is actually having a maintenance week. And it's so like everything just aligned properly that it's towards the end of the month. And I know that when I get this done, my life is put together and I can finally get a good start for my month. So honestly, I've been feeling so down. So in this video, I'm just going to run you through everything I'm doing for my maintenance week, down to my hair, my nails, my makeup, every single thing that will lift up my mood and just make me feel so great. So first up on the list is my nails. Like my nails have been looking so crusty, and because of my work, I don't really get my nails done so much, but really I need to lift up my mood, and just getting my nails done and just having an appointment to look up to just lights my mood. So yeah, let's go get our nails done. I actually got off work pretty early and it was a sunny day, so I decided to use public transport. Here's where I messed up. It started raining so heavy. I was literally so confused on what to do because this was my first time going to this new tech. I've never been there before, so I was really lost. So actually someone saw me looking so confused and decided to give me a ride, which I'm so thankful for. And he literally dropped me in front of my nail tech salon. So I'm really grateful for this person because it was God sent because I was really so confused. On getting to my nail appointment, everything went smoothly. I really loved how professional the nail tech was. Like everything went as it should. I was able to chat with her beforehand to be sure she can actually do the design I want. And here's the inspo. She really got everything down to the T. I love my nails so much, and I think I found a new nail tech that would be my go-to now because I don't think I'll be cheating on her anytime soon because she did such a good job. I actually forgot how long it takes to get your nails done because why was I there for up to 3 hours? That was such a long time, but I had to stop by to get a few things at the beauty supply store and also a supermarket close to me. Just a few things I was running low, like hair care, some headbands because I'll be installing a unit soon. I needed headbands to like finish up the look. So yeah, I went to pick up that and a few other things like skincare just to get everything prepped for tomorrow. So yeah, that's all I ended up doing today. I think I have a new obsession. I'm obsessed with these nails. Like, I do not want them to go bad. I want to keep them forever. I'm so obsessed. I can't stop looking at it. Like, it's so good and I'm so excited. And that's all for today. So, catch you guys tomorrow. It's the next day and we're getting our hair done. Really, what's a maintenance vlog without getting your hair done? And trust me, we're going to go through the whole process together. So the first off, I'm going to be washing my hair and doing my hair care routine. One thing I've noticed is that try to avoid salons. If you're a natural girly, try to know how to do your hair yourself. This year I've been all about my length retention and I've been trying to avoid salons and it has benefited my hair so much. So we're going to be installing a unit which I'm excited about because I'm working with a company. Your girl is getting brand deals. So yeah, so I'm just prepping my hair for that and we can move over straight to installing that unit. It's honestly much later in the week, but we're going to continue with our maintenance vlog and our maintenance week. So, up next is actually installing that unit. And because I'm filming for a company, I decided to do my makeup. So, this is more like a glow up type of session. So, we're getting our makeup done. I've not really been doing my makeup as much as I used to before because Now there's really not much time for it. So anytime I have the opportunity to get my makeup done, my hair done, all dolled up, I'm happy about that. So yeah, let's actually start prepping for that. One thing about my makeup routine, it doesn't take up to 10 minutes. Like I've mastered how to get my makeup done in less time. So this is going to be a very, very short process. So yeah, let's get into my makeup routine and I'll finally get back to you guys. Now onto the wig install. I will have a dedicated video on everything concerning this unit, but I absolutely love the hair and the whole process was very seamless. And the quality on this hair is so good. So I'll have everything down in the description box for you to check out, and I also have a code for you for some money off. So all that information is going to be down below. But there's so many ways I was able to style this unit, and I love the styles I came up with. It's like it's so much you can do with this hair, but because I have a mini twist on that, so I'm a little bit limited, but you can definitely try a lot of things with it. So I want to say a huge thank you to Girly hair for sending me this unit. It's so hard trying to find good quality affordable hair, so if that's what you're looking for, I would highly recommend you check them out. And you can also use my code down below to get 15% off your order. Yeah, so that's all for this unit. I absolutely love all the goodies they sent to me, and yeah, we can finally wrap up our maintenance vlog. And I'm so happy how everything came together because I feel great, I look great, and it's a good way to start the new month. So yeah. Hi guys. This was actually so much fun to film. I've never filmed a maintenance video, and I don't think I've ever done a maintenance video. So I've always been watching one and wanted to do one. So I just decided to pamper myself because I work a lot, and this is something I'm really happy I did for myself. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video and this style of video. Let me know if you enjoy this style of video, and I think I'll continue on with that because I really enjoyed it. There was a little bumps on the road with the rain like the rain coming on me when I was going to do my nails, and I couldn't feel much for my nails because I was actually wet and I was not feeling like myself. But I'm happy how everything came about, and this was so much fun. Let me know one of your favorite moments in this vlog, and also the details for this hair will be down below. I have a discount code and you can shop, I think 30%, I think 50 or 30% off. So I'll definitely leave all the details down below so you can shop ulahair. This is such good quality and I love the hair so much. And yeah, that's going to be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. How is your week going? I think we are closing into the second quarter. How are your goals going? Hope you're achieving them, and I'll definitely be making a video about that soon. But yeah, this was so much fun. I don't want to stop talking to you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I see all your messages on my shorts, and yeah, it's so much fun, especially creating a new channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, and bye.